Welcome to my channel Chubby Views. Today in this video you'll know about a man who ordered and ate pizza every day for 10 years, and when he stopped to order and eat pizza, it saved his life. How can a pizza save his life by ordering and eating it? Come, let's see. A 48-year-old man from Salem, Oregon, named Crick Alexander, was a huge fan of pizza. Every day he has been eating Domino's pizza for about 10 years. Alexander ordered pizza regularly according to General Manager at Domino's Pizza, Sarah Fuller. They also knew that Alexander ordered because his name was shown on the screen whenever Alexander orders online. The staff of Domino's Pizza, where Alexander always ordered a pizza, was shocked and surprised when he suddenly stopped ordering a pizza. Even one of his neighbors named Robert Lalonde knocked to his door, who was just living across the street. He knocked and knocked again, but he didn't answer or respond. Sarah, who was a Domino's general manager, said Alexander was very comfortable when it comes to familiarity. He even knows their delivery man because he was chatting to them at the door, and he was very friendly. The Domino's staff, including the delivery man, for whom the Alexander had become a loyal and friendly customer. They suddenly stopped receiving orders from Crick Alexander for a couple of days, which left them with a negative feeling about it. They just thought Alexander might have taken a vacation off, or maybe meeting his friends and family, or being sent to business trip by his company. Several thoughts came into their mind. A few of a delivery man have started to realize that as the days passed, Alexander had not ordered for quite some period now, and even asked Sarah, the manager, about it. Checking the delivery records, it was 11 days since Alexander last ordered pizza. Sarah knew something might be wrong with Crick, as he was a regular customer to them. According to team members of Domino's, Crick Alexander was not just their friend, but to them he was like a family. They also just got a thought that, was he tired of pizza, or he just exhausted from Domino's, or he is ordering pizza from different places? All these questions arised among themselves. As it's been too long after his last order, they were worried about their favorite customer. Sarah Fuller, the manager, asked one of his employees on duty to go and check the Crick Alexander place. The employee was sent to his house to check. He said that there was still lights in the house and there is also background noise coming from the television, but there is still no response or sign of movement inside the house. Even when they dial in his number, there was no email and they are just being sent to voicemail. The employee continued to knock again and again, but no one was answering, so he decided to update his colleagues back at the store about it. After listening to the employee, the staff decided to call sheriff. They called 911 and gave details about this regular customer, and suddenly he stopped ordering and every details of him. The operator who received the call immediately informed to Marion County Sheriff's Office. It may sound weird to the operator after listening to everything, but without taking it lightly, he informed to sheriffs, and call was successful, and Marion County Sheriff asked his deputies to check Alexander's house. The police reached Alexander's house and knocked at the door and called his name out, but no response. At last, officers breaking the door and calling paramedics. The situation was very emergency that Crick Alexander was found on the floor. He has got stroke. By seeing records of Alexander that he had also suffered minor strokes before that, he was immediately taken to the nearest hospital as soon as ambulance arrived. He would have not been alive if they had reached just one day later. The worker at Domino's were relieved that the Crick was saved by the doctors who attended on him. Everyone wishes for Crick to have a speedy recovery. Staffs were visiting him every day and looked after him as he was like a family member to them, and Crick was transferred to rehabilitation center a particular bond was developed between Alexander and the employees of Domino's. They took care of his every needs. Eventually he was recovered and he was back to his normal routine. This story day by day spread throughout towns and local outlets and also to the nationwide media after they were hailed as the heroes by saving a customer's life. At last, General Manager Sarah Fuller stated that they were only doing their job of checking in a loyal customer who had become their family. After all, such acts of kindness are what restore the faith of the world in humanity. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, click the like button and click the bell icon to know my new updates.